The information given in any of our content under the name Sell NJ or Sell New Jersey should not be taken as financial advice. Any and all information should be used for informational purposes only. Please consult a tax or financial professional before making any decisions. Thank you and enjoy the video.
Let's talk about crypto and blockchain technology. Today, cryptocurrency popularity is growing exponentially. Just about everyone has heard about these magical internet coins like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin and Ethereum, but what exactly are they? How are they categorized and what use case do they have? For starters, let's break down crypto into the two more important categories, currency and utility. Bitcoin wasn't the first attempt at the concept of internet money, but it solved the issue of the double spend, and was birthed during the 2008 financial crisis, a time where bad actors in the financial world left the U.S. housing market in turmoil. Throughout the years, Bitcoin has become a better form of money than anything we've ever seen. It's faster than the traditional system, more secure, finite in supply, and transparent, leading to accountability for anyone who uses the network. A fully decentralized digital currency is the next evolution in our economy, more on this in a separate video. After Bitcoin came many failed attempts at creating better solutions, but the market was extremely young and inefficient. The most successful attempt came when Litecoin was created roughly 3 years later by making a very similar, but non-competitive cryptocurrency with faster speeds, and 4 times the supply. To this day, Litecoin remains one of the most sought-after cryptocurrencies in the market, and has lasted over 10 years, with zero downtime. When the market was young, many of these currency-type coins were created, but only a few stuck around and have been successful. Litecoin, Dogecoin, Monero, Dash, and Zcash are some of the more popular currency-type coins. These coins set out to give users more privacy, a faster way to make payments, higher security, and overall better features than today's current payment systems. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll know when we post more content on blockchain, cryptocurrency, real estate and finance. Now back to the video. Utility-type blockchains are meant to be used similar to the internet or applications on your phone, but typically in a decentralized manner, or dApps. Ethereum is the most popular example of this. The Ethereum network is essentially a platform for other products and utilities to build on top of. With smart contract capabilities, the Ethereum network is largely used for decentralized finance, also known as DeFi, and NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. More on these in a separate video. With extremely fast block times, Ethereum has been the choice for dApp builders since its creation in 2015, but other blockchains have been gaining ground in recent years because of high network fees and other network issues. A good amount of the crypto tokens that you see and hear about today are built on top of the Ethereum network, and are known as ERC20 tokens, which are fungible, and ERC721 tokens, non-fungible, or NFTs for short. Blockchains such as Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot are setting themselves up as the top competitors to the Ethereum network, but for now, it's still leading the pack. As a side note, a good portion of Ethereum developers have left the project, and have gone on to create their own blockchain networks including Polkadot. This entire ecosystem is still very young, so it'll be interesting to see how everything plays out in the coming years. If you decide to invest in the crypto markets, please do your own research and invest accordingly. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this short little introduction to crypto and blockchain. If you want to see more from Sell NJ, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. We appreciate your stopping by and we'll see you on the next one.